أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is ism ka istimal, the use of noun. Before this topic, we people learned ism balihaz halat, ism balihaz wusat, ism balihaz adad, ism balihaz jins. It means that we people before this topic read noun with respect to condition, extension, numbers, gender. Our topic is ism ka istimal. We people will use noun in Murakkab. The word used for Murakkab in English is compound. Murakkab is furtherly divided into kinds. The first kind of Murakkab is Murakkab nakis. Murakkab nakis is such a compound which has a talk of half meaning. And the other is, we can say in other words, this is incomplete talk. And the second kind of Murakkab is Murakkabitam, it is a complete talk or a complete meaning. Then the Murakkab nakis is furtherly divided into kinds. Its first kind is Murakkab Atfi. The word used for this in English is conjunction. We people will use noun in this compound. Compound or Murakkab is a group of words. The first example with us is Kitabun wa qalamun. It is the actual form of this is Kitabun wa qalamun. The actual form of this compound is this Kitabun wa qalamun. Here one rule applies. The rule is known as idgham. Idgham is such a rule which says that when after noon sakin or tanween, a word from haruf yarmalun, these letters are called haruf yarmalun, a word in a compound after noon sakin, this is noon sakin, after noon sakin and tanween come from haruf yarmalun, then here the noun will be read as kitabun wa qalamun. Here will come ashad. Kitabun wa qalamun. This is the rule which is known as idgham. Here this rule is applied. Kitabun wa qalamun. And here kitabun wa qalamun. The sound in this compound is produces from the nose or nasal cavity, originates from the nasal cavity, which is the part of the nose, and this part of the nose is called nasal cavity. This was in the form of common noun. If we read this in the form of proper noun, then it will be made al-kitabu al-kalamu. Then it will be said that al-kitabu wal-kalamu. Here, this Hamza will not read in the series of this compound because this Hamza is known as Hamzatul Wasl. It can be read but not read, and the reason for writing is the identification of proper noun. And this word which join these two nouns, this word is called conjunction. We meet two other words and another conjunction. Another conjunction with us is aw. We take these words kitabun qalamun. Now it made kitabun aw qalamun. Its mean is ya. In English, the word used for ya is or. Kitabun wa qalamun, book or pen. In the form of proper noun, it will be write as al-kitabu al-kalamu, and it will be read as al-kitabu awil-kalamu. Rule applies, which is that in a compound, when two letters come combined and the both letters are sakin, and the first one will be mutaharrik, oppositively the letter before waw is hamza and its harkat is zabar. Then here the waw will take the harkat of zir because it is opposite to the harkat of this letter, then it will be made al-kitabu awil qalamu. Our this topic is completed.